So I had a box of extra power cables just laying around, not doing anything. They were the extras. So I braided them into a little rope here, as you see. And there are so many that they go from the elevator all the way down the hall, around the corner, and into the CS classroom that far. That's a lot of cables. And there you have it. The aftermath when you hang up 64 feet of cable from the ceiling. Because why not? This is all those braided power cords from earlier too, by the way. Oh, isn't that just beautiful? I love it. Love it so much. Well, I'll be seeing you all next week.